In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your Substack settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to adjust so your profile looks polished, your links are in place, and your privacy is set the way you want. Start by opening Substack. Sign in if you aren't already, and let the homepage load fully so everything is easy to find. Next, click your profile. This is where you control how you appear to readers and how much of your activity is visible. Think of it as your public calling card and your privacy dashboard rolled into one. Inside your profile, you can edit your name, handle, and bio. Your name is what people will see at the top of your profile and alongside your posts, so keep it clear and consistent. Your handle is the unique identifier that helps people find you. Pick something short, memorable, and on-brand. For your bio, focus on a concise explanation of who you are and what you publish. A couple of lines that highlight your niche and what readers can expect is perfect. Avoid including sensitive details, no personal contact info, or anything you wouldn't want broadly visible. You can also drop your cover image. Choose a clean, high-resolution graphic or photo that reflects your tone and topic. Aim for an image with simple composition so your text and profile photo don't get lost. If the platform lets you crop or reposition, adjust it so the focal point remains centered and readable across devices. Link your social accounts to help readers connect with you beyond your newsletter. This can boost discoverability and make it easier for people to follow your updates wherever you're active. Only connect accounts you actually use and review your social privacy settings to ensure they match your comfort level. Next, take a moment to manage visibility. You can hide your subscriptions so others can't see what you follow. This is a good choice if you want to keep your reading list private. You can also hide your rights, which helps separate your behind-the-scenes work from your public profile. Adjust these according to how public you want your activity to be. Finally, review your activity privacy. Here you control whether things like your likes, comments, or recommendations are visible to others. If you prefer a quieter footprint, tighten these settings. If community engagement is part of your strategy, leave them visible to encourage interaction. That's it. Open Substack, go to your profile, tune your name, handle, and bio, add a strong cover image, link your socials, and refine your privacy. Take a moment to confirm your changes are saved, and you're all set.